53 Lima, turn off that mic, hold short, runway 28 left.
Hold short, 28 left, 53 Lima.
Montgomery approach, Skyhawk 3386 Echo with you on the ILS 28 right, parking approach.
Cessna 3386 Echo, Montgomery, turn right, 28 right, continue.
Continue for 86 Echo.
3886 traffic, 2 mile final south runway, so hard turn.
Is other traffic supposed to follow 886?
Negative, you're now number 1.
Roger, traffic inside 886.
Consistent 53 Lima, cross the left contact ground, traffic holding in position.
53 Lima, cross the left, contact ground. I own that plane. I bought it for $8,000. Damn, it's a steal.
Montgomery ground tower, 4629 Delta. Just exited 28 left at Delta. We're going to taxi to negative.
That's the one where the guy,
Taxi Hotel Juliet. Taxi Hotel
the
Juliet.
guy brought it in there. He took it on a trade.
Yeah.
Brought it in there and got fuel. Yeah. He got ready to go. And he couldn't start the engine. So he told him, okay, fix it. So they troubleshot it. They said, okay, we've done everything we know how to do. The power out to the pump. Pump isn't going and we don't have one. So he says, fucking sell the damn thing. What do you want for it? He says, $8,000 plus your bill.
Damn.
I'm not paying the bill. So I went down and I bought it for what, $8,000 a little bit. And the guy said, well, what are you going to do? I said, well, fly it away. He said, how are you going to do that? He can't start the engine. Yes, I can. Just watch it. Left engine pump was out, okay? I switched the left engine to the right main. Prime it to the right, start the fucking left engine.